Guys, so today I'm going to be doing a really quick Dollar Tree haul. So I went by the Dollar Tree and I got just a few things. So I just want to show you really quick what I got. So first thing I got was this sparkly LA Colors nail polish. It's in the color 544 and the name is, what's the name? Is Dizzy. That's the name of it. So it's a really pretty gold color. Oh, I just put oil on my hands, so I have a hard time opening things. The weather has been so dry in Chicago and my hands are so crusty. But I've been putting coconut oil on it and it seemed to be helping a little bit. But this is Dizzy. It's a nice sparkly color. It's really pretty. I plan on putting this on accent nails and my toes. I don't personally like all glitter nails. I mean, well, I have all glitter nails now, but they're like kind of like a ombre glitter. But me personally, it's not my favorite. I like to do like glitter on accent nails and toes. I think that's when it looks the best. So that's what I'll be using this for, and I'll be applying it with these makeup applicators that I'm going to show you later. But that's how I'm planning on applying it. So I got that. And next I got this sparkly color. So it's a sparkly silver color, and it's in the color 446. It's called Sparkling Diamond. So it's called Sparkling Diamond. And like I said, it's just a simple sparkly silver color. And I didn't have a sparkly gold and a sparkly silver in my collection, and I think that's like one of the essentials to have is like sparkly gold, sparkly silver. I think it's like a standard to have either of those colors. So I just thought I'd pick it up. And I got it from the Dollar Tree, like I said. So it was only $1. I mean, you can't beat it. It's only $1. Next, apparently I was in my whole sparkly phase when I went shopping because I got this other sparkly color. It's in the color 542 and it's called Cocktail. So it's really pretty because it's different, it's unique. It's a pink color, kind of like a rose pink color, and it got some reflects of like purple and silver in it. It's so pretty. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm really excited to use this as well. So that's the color 542 Cocktail. Really love it. I like this color. It's my favorite color that I got this trip. Next color I got was a pink color. Now, I personally am not a pink girl. I don't think it looks the best on me personally. My favorite color to wear is red and nudes. So I don't have any pinks in my collection. But my sister loves pink. She swears by pink. That's the only color she wears on her nails. And I plan on doing manicures on her hands and toes. So I just bought this like for her, basically to do her nails. And this is in the color 505 Pink Bubbles. Focus. There we go. Pink Bubbles, and it's a really pretty color. Again, like I said, I personally wouldn't wear it, but oh my god, I got a hard time opening that. I personally wouldn't wear it, but it's still nevertheless a pretty color. It's really pretty. I like it. nice to have a nice pink in your collection. So that's what I did. Pink bubbles. And these are like my favorite nail polishes from the Dollar Tree. They have other ones, like in my last haul I featured a Revlon one, the Kiss Gel ones, but these are my favorite because they have such a wide range of colors, and I mean, you just can't beat it for $1. Like, you can't beat it. You can build your collection on such a budget with these colors, and they're so nice quality, so nice. So the next color I got was like this orangey color, really pretty. It's in the color 534 Hottie. So it's really pretty. It's like a summer color. I'm dreaming of summer here in Chicago where it's like literally snowing. So I'm dreaming of summer. But it's a really pretty bright orange color. Again, personally, I wouldn't wear this myself, but it's always nice to have bright colors in your collection for people who want them. So this was 534 Hottie. And the last color I got, actually similar to something I already have, but not quite. So I got this color last, and it's in the color 682 Greek Isles. Greek Isles, and it's a pretty like metallic-y turquoise color. So pretty. I like it. It's like got a nice metallic-y shine to it. It's not like glittery. It's metallic-y. It's really pretty. I like it. So nice. And I have something similar to this in my collection. Let me show you. I featured it in my last haul. And it's the mermaid color. So if you remember, I showed this last time. It's like more of a greenish color, and it's got a sparkly finish, but Greek Isles has a metallic finish. So it's always good to have different finishes in your collection. So that's why I got that. Next, I got this, which is called Super Dry. I don't know. I took it out of the packaging already, so I don't know by what brand this is. But again, I got it from the dollar store, from the Dollar Tree. And it's supposed to be like this stuff that you put on top of your nails when you're finished so that it dries it really fast. And it said on the packaging that it dries it to a shiny finish. So I'm looking forward to using this maybe on my toes, because I don't know about you guys, but I just don't have the patience to wait for my toes dry. Like, I just don't have the patience. So I'm hoping that this is gonna help me, and when I do regular manicures and stuff on myself, that this will help as well. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. I've seen a lot of stuff like this on the market the past couple of years. So like the spray that lets it dry, the oil drops and stuff. So I've never personally purchased it, but I mean, it was $1. So I mean, might as well try it out. Can't beat it. Next, nothing too exciting. The next three things I got is nothing too exciting. I got some cotton balls. So I got some cotton balls just to take off nail polish, things like that. Nothing too exciting. I got these cosmetic wedges. I got these because I'm going to try to, like I said earlier, apply my glitter polish with these, because I saw it on one nail channel. I forgot what it is here on YouTube. I forgot the name, but I saw her apply glitter polish with these, and it packed on the glitter without having to add so many layers. So I'm gonna try it for myself and see if it works out. So that's why I got these. And also I got these because I have a holographic powder, and the eyeshadow applicators work good, but I just want to see how it works with this, so I'll be trying that out as well. And the last thing I got is these containers. Now these containers came two for $4 at the Dollar Tree. So they're really nice quality for $1, and you get two for $4. So I think that's more bang for your buck. And these are gonna store my nail polishes. And actually, I'm gonna go back and get some more to put like my things that I grab for like every time I do my nails. So like my acetone, my hand sanitizer, alcohol, things like that. I'm gonna put it in here, put some cotton balls in here and stuff as well. So I think that this is a great deal. You know, Dollar Tree, they have so many storage containers, and it's a good deal. So I got these. And that is all I got at Dollar Tree this time. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some new finds that you can try to search for at your local Dollar Tree. And thank you so much for coming back to my nail obsession. Bye.